Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather. If you are new here, thanks for joining me, and if not, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you a non-keto recipe for all you guys who just want maybe a regular recipe this time. And you can use this for Thanksgiving or for Christmas or any kind of time that you really want to make amazing mashed potatoes. So want to know how I make them? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so the trick to making really good mashed potatoes is using two different kinds of potatoes. You're going to want to use russet potatoes and golden potatoes. The reason for that is that russet potatoes are really fluffy and light and give you that nice fluffy mashed potato texture, but the gold ones are super creamy and buttery, and so you've got the best of both worlds doing creamy and fluffy together.
So what you're going to do is peel those up. I use this little thing. I don't like it for all the other stuff that these things do, but it makes real quick work of your potatoes. Also, it will cut your thumb, so watch out for that. But once you have them peeled, you're going to want to chop them in similar sizes so they all cook about the same, and then you're going to cover them with water. As soon as it is covered with water, you're going to want to salt your water generously, and then you're going to boil these for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure it doesn't overflow on the heat, just until they are fork tender. And as soon as that is ready, I'll show you how I do the rest of it.
So this was 5 large russet potatoes and a 5-pound bag of golden potatoes. So there's about 10 of those in there. They're smaller. So I'm going to drain these. We're going to start with 2 sticks of butter. This is for classic mashed potatoes. Lots of people get fancy, add cream cheese, add all sorts of other stuff, but this is if you want classic, really creamy, yummy potatoes. So I'm going to throw these, while these drain, 2 sticks of butter in the pan that the potatoes came out of. The pan's really hot, and so it will start to melt this butter really quickly. Now, as far as the milk goes, you can use half and half. You can use cream. I'm using whole milk. I'm going to start off with about 2 cups. And then we'll salt it at the last because we've had salted water, so we need to make sure that that is not too much salt. I'm going to put this on low heat just to warm all this up. All right, potatoes are back in, and we're just going to use a hand mixer. Okay, so you're going to blend these as much as you want. If you want them really smooth, blend it longer. If you like them a little chunky, you can leave them a little bit chunky. You're going to want to taste this and add milk, salt, and butter as needed to your liking. Now what's really cool about this is usually mashed potatoes, you kind of have to do them at the last minute because then they get cold and everything kind of is all trying to come together at the last minute. So a way to make your holiday meal planning and day a little bit simpler is make these earlier in the day and then stick them in a slow cooker or crock pot on warm
Put the lid on, but leave just a little bit of a crack for the steam to get out so that these don't become watery, and stir them every 30 minutes or so just to make sure there doesn't get like a film on the top or they get dried out. But it makes it really easy. It keeps them warm all day, and then you don't have to worry about that while you're making all of your other last minute stuff. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you will have a wonderful holiday or whenever you're making amazing mashed potatoes. And until next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.